I think the cloud really speeds up the computing for everybody. It speeds up the rate at which businesses can innovate. And what they're working on right now is a lot of machine learning and artificial intelligence. We're seeing a lot of interest in robotics and IoT as devices get intelligent and they start to move around and we start to track them all from the cloud. And we're also seeing a lot of migrations to open source, particularly in databases with the database freedom and replacing proprietary databases with open source and cloud-hosted data sources. Very impressed by Israel. It's the most technical audience for an AWS summit. There's just a huge amount of startup activity and really sophisticated customers. We get a lot of great input and we see some wonderful companies coming out of Israel.
AWS is here to build the components that you can use to build your businesses. And we have a huge selection of products. We have the broadest and deepest platform for you to build things with. I'll dig into a few of these areas a little bit. In compute, we have the most instance types. We have things that you would never be able to find in your data center. We have things that you can't find on other cloud providers. In serverless, we've got the most integrations across all of our services with AWS Lambda. And in containers, we have all of these different options. In databases, we have the biggest selection of databases as well, both relational, purpose-built, and then also migration services, so you can move from your existing databases and also between relational and purpose-built databases, key value. In storage, we've got just more options again. We have so many different variations and capabilities in S3 that I've got a whole section just to tell you about them. We've got more file systems, we've got lots of ways to transfer data in and out. And then in security, very, very important, we have certifications. We're going around the world working with the auditors and the governments and all of the bodies we need to get all of the compliance you need to deploy applications globally.
אנחנו היום כאן בתל אביב סאמיט של AWS מעל ל-6,000 לקוחות שהגיעו ללמוד, לשמוע ולהתעדכן על המגמות האחרונות והחדשות בעולם מחשוב הענן. הציגו כאן יחד איתנו 43 שותפים שהם שחקני ענן משמעותיים את היכולות הטכנולוגיות שלהם. הענן היום נמצא במצב שבו השירותים היותר מתקדמים הם אלה שמעניינים את הלקוחות ואת השוק בכלל. אציין מספר. Machine Learning, Artificial Intelligence, Big Data, הם רק חלק מהשירותים שמעניינים את הלקוחות. הכמות ההולכת וגדולה של דאטה שנצבר בעולם, שצריך לשמור אותו, שצריך לנתח אותו, לאבד אותו, הולכת ועולה. וכאן הענן במיטבו מביא את הערך ללקוחות, איך הם מתמקדים בתהליכים העסקיים שלהם, ואת כל נושא ניהול הדאטאבייסים, המידע והאפליקציות, אנחנו נעשה עבורם.